to my YouTube channel. My name is Naomi Isaac, and today I'm back again with an interesting video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful thing here. It can be used as a key holder, or you can hang it around your car if you have one. You can hang it around your house so that it looks fancy. Yeah. So without much ado, let's go into the video. So the requirements in this video are very few. You only need a thread and a pair of scissors and a crochet. So this, with me, I have a sample of what I did before. It's very beautiful, as you can see. So yeah, without much ado, let's go into the video. So I'm going to blend black and blue. Yeah, so I'm going to start with blue. And this is what I'm going to do. Do it as many times as you can, depending on the size of your key holder or your fancy decor. Because I don't want something big, I think this is enough. I just want to do something that will not take a lot of time, so that you can track the progress very well. You take your pair of scissors and cut. Okay? You bring your color, black or whatever color you are using. I think black is enough. Now I'm going to bring again to add another blue on top of this black, so that it comes out in a nice shape and the colors will blend in very well. Okay? I think this is enough. Yeah. So the next thing that you are going to do, we will bring both threads and cut them this way, so that you have two threads, blue and black. And we are going to remove this carefully from our fingers. And tie it at the center of the threads that we cut earlier. Make sure you tie tightly so that it does not pop out. After tying it tightly, you can cut off this. This can be waste. Yeah. So you see how it is at this point. So the next thing you are going to do, you take again these 2 threads. We are going to make a handle like this. Yeah, so this is how we are going to do it. We take our crochet and do this simple thing. I hope all of you or majority of you know it, because it's not something new. Yeah, so let's do this. So after doing those several double stitches, you are going to approximate the size of your key holder. So I feel like this is enough, and you are going to tie it around again, because you want something very firm, something that's not going to pop out. So I'm searching for the middle point. So you are going to tie it around again. Very tight. So depending on how you want your holder to be thin, thick, you can continue doing the double stitches again. But for me, I don't want something very big, something very thick. I feel like this is enough. And what I'm going to do, I will do this way. I don't know how to explain it, but watch keenly. Yeah, and now here we have our holder. So the next thing we are going to do, we bring our scissors. We are going to cut this very carefully. Like this. We are going to do the same to this other side. And at this point, this is how it should come out. And the last step now, we are going to shape it to whatever shape you like, but I want mine to be kind of circular. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut these long threads and this waist. I'm cutting a lot of thread because I want it to come out thick, not very much fluffy, somewhere there. Okay.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah, and now finally we have our end product. Yeah guys, and that marks the end of our video today. And as you can see, they are very fancy fluffy key holders for ladies because they make you look girlish. Yeah, you can try making one and tell me how you found it. You can comment down below what you think about my video today. Yeah guys, and that's all. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. I love you.